Kasi we have a stat, so we can have gathering with friends. So today we're having a barbecue today. Naputol kasi siya kasi may tumawag. So I just continue what I will say. So I'm waiting for a train. So 2 minutes pa yun train. So I need to wait for 2 minutes. So but actually I have only 2 stations. So okay lang. Kasi nakachinelas lang ang pig. Okay, the train is coming. So let's wait behind the blue line.
The train to Tianmun is arriving. Please let passengers exit first. 請小心列車與月台間之空隙。請小心列車與月台之間的空隙。Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So yan, kalalabas ko lang ng MTR. So this is a BCT Mall sa Chunmun. So I'm going to Light Rail. I think that way. So maglalaki tayo ng konti para marating natin yung Light Rail at sasakay tayo ulit papuntang Butterfly Beach. And yan, waiting for the Light Rail again. So ito yung daanan ng Light Rail. O diba? So let's wait the Light Rail to come. So yan, kabababa ko lang ng Light Rail Station. So palakad na. Ay papunta, naglalakad papuntang Butterfly Beach. So see you there. So this is the Chunmun Pier. So yan yung mga mga ship. Mga cargo ship, hindi warship, cargo ship. So yung beach is, nasan yung beach? Ayun, nandun yung beach. So I think I need to walk maybe 10 minutes. Oh yeah, big rocks sa baba. Okay, so let's go there. So may mga restaurant pala dito sa sa labas. Outside restaurant. So you can have a breakfast here if you feel hungry. And I'm looking for the Filipino store. I think there is a Filipino store inside the mall, inside this mall, pero I'm not sure if nandun pa. Kasi sabi niyang kaibigan ko it's already closed. So let's see. Yan yung mga balite tree Yung balite tree sa Pilipinas, tinatako, we are afraid. Pero dito is kahoy lang yan. So there is no kapre. And I see a white, what is that? It's a blanket hanging on the tree. I thought it's a white lady. Blanket pala yan. So saan ba yung I need to find the entrance para makapasok tayo dyan sa loob. So dito tayo maglalakad sa seaside kasi it's look like refreshing. Refreshing ba? Para kasi iba yung mga clouds. Hindi para siya cloudy na, parang foggy. It seems like that. So hayaan mo na. So, na-miss ko tuloy yung bahay kasi it's something like this also, may bato-bato. So, nandito na tayo sa beach area. Pero hanapin ko muna yung friend ko kung nasaan siya. Saan ba siya banda? So, maglalakad pa tayo ng konti. Parang ang sarap ng hangin. Parang masarap mag-walking dito. Yan na yung beach. Yan. So, this is Butterfly Beach. O, yan na naman yung baliti na walang kapre. You know, and there's a, is it ako? Yeah. I think this is coconut tree, but walang bunga. Kawawa naman yung coconut tree. Malnourished kasi walang bunga. Ay, may mga dragonfly. Kaya lang hindi yata siya klaro. Try natin i-zoom. Yan, oh. Mga ano yan siya, mga dragonfly. Pero hindi siya klaro kasi maliliit kasi. Later, we'll have a selfie later. Kasi hanapin ko muna yung friend ko kasi parang pagod na yun sa kahihintay. Diba ang ganda? Ang ganda ng view. It's very refreshing. So refreshing if you stay here on the beach and then just unwind while having a barbecue. So it's very so nice. Ay, ang ganda ng flower. I don't know how many times I already here. So, hindi ko na maalala. Maybe 5 times. Pero ang ganda ng ano, bulaklak na to, red flower. Yan, background ko. Yung red na flower. Okay, let's go. Let's go kasi tawag na ng tawag yung kasama ko. So, I don't know. Baka na-board na yun sa kakahintay. I'm already near. Malapit na ako. Daan tayo dito sa ano.
Na tayo. Busog na kami. Boy na kayo. Vlog mo yun.
Paano daw mag-open ng uling?
Kaya nga paano ba? Yung sako ng uling.
Ako hindi rin ako marunong paano mag-open ng uling.
Hilain mo lang siya, tapos dire-diretso na.
O di hilain mo na ah. Paano ba yan hilain?
Alam ko paano yun.
Manood tayo sa YouTube ng ano. Paano?
Tingin na lang. Ano, parang mamamatay. Ay.
Oh, ayan, ang hirap magpabaga.
Correct. Ubos na ang tissue.
Ang hirap magpabaga. Paano ba to? Oh, ipaypay. Hindi pa. So yan. Uling. Inutusan pa akong bumili ng uling. So here is the uling. Kasi kulang yung uling namin doon, so kailangan kong bumili.
Video, kulot ng timay sa tumyaw. Bigyan nyo yun na yung tong nila. Bigyan nyo, mag-chopstick tayo. Dapat hindi pa sa loob.
So punta muna tayo sa dagat. So this is the beach. So this is Butterfly Beach. So sometimes kailangan din nating mag-relax kasi nakakapagod sa work, so we need to unwind. Diba? So na-miss ko tuloy yung bahay kasi we are near on the sea. Kaya na-miss ko yung na-miss ko yung Pinas. Ang sarap maligo ng dagat, kaya lang wala akong damit. So na lang tayo ganito na lang. Nakakapagod sa work, kaya we need to have a relaxation sometimes during our day off. Kasi we need to hindi dapat tayo ma-stress. We should have relax sometimes. Hindi pwedeng ma-relax sa work, kaya kailangan natin lumabas sa bahay. Kaya punta tayo sa sa beach. So na-miss ko tuloy yung bahay kasi yung bahay namin is near on the sea, kaya parang nami-miss ko yung bakuran namin kasi yung bakuran namin is dagat. So it seems like this. Pero soon I will have a vacation, so I can't wait. I can't wait to have a vacation this coming December. Busy sila sa pay.
Ay, wala ka rin. Nakabebel, di man